To subscribe is free.
You subscribe yet?
I'm gonna listen to you, baby. Cause you are all I need. She's begging me, please don't break my heart. Cause all that's left is just a little part. She's begging me, please don't take my hand. If it's gonna end up in a one-night stand, just be truthful to me. All I need is just your honesty. Just be truthful to me. Is it love that you see in me? Mama used to tell me love was something like a secret. Don't tell it to no one if you know that you can't keep it. It should be fun, but only with that special one. No, she's begging me, don't break my heart. Cause all that's left is just a little part. Begging me, don't take my hand. If it's gonna end up in a one-night stand, just be truthful to me. Cause all I need is just your honesty. Just be truthful to me. Is it love that you see in me? Is it love? Is it love, baby? This song, all that's been missing. There's just all that's missing. No. That's all
Ruben.
Oh, go on there.
Yeah, go on with.
You good?
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, I'm good, man. Talk to me.
I'm on my combo.
Oh, the money?
Yeah, my computer now, so.
Oh, give me a second. Over.
Wow, I'm so tired to come and say me for your money, you know. Ruben,
I come.
I'm not gonna make a guy make it so.
I'll put 9 below. See. So I go on the friend. You good? Backside, boy.
Boy,
Eh?
just there, take it easy, you know.
Song the man. Look like I've... Song no, your friend. Song this.
I gotta go on along. You know, so I can't talk to your friend a long time. Day. Boy, why your brother gone? I'm not dating nobody at all. Yeah, because you know, say, the man they are the big daddy in the streets.
Yeah.
So, I didn't want to go see no local idiot on the road and then go running and I just running like that. Because I can't lower my standard. But anyways,
So you say no man really check out for you like that on the street and sitting.
a whole heap of them check me, man, but I don't want to lower my standard. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
So, I ask you if you know a rich friend.
We
You
need
can
rich
give
friend.
me.
No, listen to me now. My brother drop out, you know. See? But what you have to understand is that he set one foundation where you can collect money every month. And the money we are collect every month, you can maintain everything for you. So if you don't like, if you say you want a companion, you look for love, it's different. But if you say you look for money, that's sound away.
Listen.
You sound away to you.
Listen.
Or you don't feel no way about it.
No, I feel a way about you, but listen. I understand, say, he left a foundation for me. Yeah, me and you know that. But at the end of the day, woman want to look a service there and so my time I feel lonely. So
you have to just pick up. Alright, so you basically tell me, say, if you find somebody for you, then if you want to say that now, I'm going to approach it that way there, you know, because how you say it now is different now. Alright, listen. Me have 1 and 2 virgin, man, I can say. You know what I mean? What? I'm going to say virgin means to them, no, say, you know, I love you, I look for.
no, I know that I don't listen to. Me no want you get no man car come give me away. Him will come in my house and see my luxury things them. And because he see them, him can't bother buy me what him supposed to buy me. And that's why me say, one of your rich friend them.
So,
You understand?
alright, no problem.
I want somebody who can take care of me. Somebody when I go lower my standard. Somebody who can higher it up. You understand that me I talk about? So nobody feel like say me I look for a man out there for love and all. Me I go love him, yes. But if he have him money too.
Alright, so if that is still, me now go stop your flow. See? If me find one of my brethren who can take care of you and also service you, me will make sure say, you know what I mean?
And
Me will link
cherish
you.
me too.
Well, you see, at that I think that should come first. But big up yourself. You know what I mean?
But nobody feel no way, no, because I not violate your brother thing, you understand?
No,
I not
man,
violate
no,
his thing.
I'm gone, man. So, you know what I mean? And I expect you to just lock up your thing and turn none. You understand?
Yeah,
so,
for
we never
real,
expect
for
that.
real. And I forever love him. I forever love him. Right now, him then I'm back.
Well,
And I before him pass away. So, I'm a love of my life. But anyways,
we shout them, man. So, mountain again, I will see you
yeah,
can
man.
collect.
Yeah, man. Mountain.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, later.
I'm going to try to see if I can organize something. If you send the money to your account. Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm not like you. Show my brother, you know, I'm not look at you.
Hello.
What going?
There, what happened?
Yeah, David.
There. You know, say supermarket me I go and me can't bother fi go to supermarket go buy bag. You know no bag can't lend me.
Where you say? Where you just say?
Me not even have enough money to
So,
buy
no,
grocery.
wait. Hold on there.
And I drop.
Looking at that.
Let me see.
Okay. You see little chicken them me they have the last time me get one little partner money. I know me not done pay off that the partner money there. And me collect it. Me buy 300 chicken. 250 of them dead. That
How
mean you
come?
know say I lose the heat. You know say heat can kill the chicken them.
You know buy one AC put
From
in
when
a
no
cold
rain no fall, AC see you gone too far, then no look how AC expensive. Watch me, 250 of the chicken them dead. 50 of them me did have left. Me end up have to kill them before 6 weeks and sell them for when have one little change in my hand. Right then now that the money there, are the current bill me take here and go pay. Me no have not even dime. Not even a red cent, me no have a penny. And you must know say I
Me
told me
never
that
ask her for
because
money.
me and your friend they no money to buy bag, me no have no bag. Me no have no bag. So, if me no have no bag and me have the money, are you fi understand what me I saying? You ask me for your bag. I don't have any bag. If I did have the money, I give you make you buy a bag. So, me just explain and tell you, say, nothing nah go on. No rain no fall from when the eat dead off the chicken, then me tell you, ask anybody who raise chicken. Remember say you have your little shop, you know? Me have my little cub.
My local shop, my shop locked down. Not now go on in the empty.
Then that me they tell you have your little shop around me and my little cub, so you must know business go. Sometime me up, sometime me down. Right now, me the plan to see if me can go up one of me mother family them by fear side figure ask if they can lend more money. Yes, if buy back some chicken can nothing go on. Me say me go down so other day.
So you want to go borrow money in for your partner?
No, listen. You don't understand. I may tell you, if me not have the money to go pay the people in their partner, how me I go pay? So me borrow one money, buy back some chicken, go and raise them and sell them, and the profit me take time pay back my partner. You don't understand me? I say, Marika, me your friend and you know me come down already. Me not like who people. God know, girl, if me have a bag, me give you it. And if me no have no bag, as me tell you before, and me have one little change from, but I guess buy your bag, man, that I know nothing, man. You see right you know? I clean me, I try clean up here, so, cause nothing nah go on, nothing, me just get bored and just say, me get up and clean up right here, so.
So now fix the next side I cover.
Me not penny that there right now. Me I think how fi go up on my mother side, the family them go borrow the money.
So we are going to
buy
get
back
fair
the
if we go up
chicken.
there, so I don't
Look
have
here.
no money.
A woman me name. Me born blessed. Me not born lucky. Me not believe in a luck. Me believe in a blessing. Whole heap of people out the road know me, you know. Not tell me say. I saw me wicked for me go up on the road, go beg a drive. Or who the driver then. And he can't give me. You mad?
You
No,
love
man.
who? No, you love who, you know?
I know who me like who. If you not have the money, sorry, fi do the thing. You not go work. You have to beg your who if they know. Some people don't want to get things for free in them brother. You trust if random that mean they know so them will get back sitting for. So what you want me to do?
No.
Anyway,
So you
you're
can't
lucky.
call them and make them send it to your account. And
No,
have
they're not
account.
gonna do that. Me have to, you see that cousin that my mother have? In kind of stingy, you know. But me I tell you, me have to know how to go down in a details and all kind of sin thing and mix up. All lie me have to tell him to get him money. But me have to go in person. Me can't, which banker? You're mad? Finger fees, me not give him back. You're mad, man. Girl, you not go down in the supermarket. Just go in one Chinese supermarket, them and tell them, ask a lady with name Kristen. Them say, Candice, if you give you one bag, me will pay for.
No,
when
so
me
I'm
come
not
down
do
there.
that.
So what you do? Can you stick them in your hand? Then, alright. Cut long story short, because I'm busy right now, you know, here and now. And you want to go buy. You're lucky you have money if you go to a supermarket. Me nah none. Here where you go do now. If you want to go buy 100 items, nobody buy 100. Buy 99 and take the harder money, we would have make you 100 buy one bag. You're good, man. So look more here.
Alright.
Yeah, man, because guess what? Me I try clean up right here, so I have to go make a run, go down on the road. Nah, tell no lie. You see right now? I think about to fly out if me did have a visa, you know. Mood mind me did have a visa. Because you know, say nothing now go on for Jamaican currency.
No, me see it.
Nothing now go on feet with money no value, nothing. Right now, I program them, me hear people them a talk about, must see, I don't even know if me I say good, HB2 or whatever program.
I don't know
where you can
the
go
name of them.
a hotel, go work, and make some serious money and come back and set yourself for you and your family them, and if you can help one friend, you help one friend or sitting car. Nothing now go on you say, you know.
Nothing now go on.
Nothing now go on you, so I'm to fear, man.
To me, man. Right now, to tell you the truth, you not depend nothing like that, no. Not at all, you not depend.
How much time if you tell us if you leave him and them when they depend nothing?
Me can't just get up and leave me, man, so what kind of thought that?
So you like him and them when they depend nothing, and then you turn around
No,
and pick a big bag.
me never said.
Then you me and your friend, and we are like sister like that.
What
We
you
know
mean?
one another long time. Me know you. And you know me before you about that the dirty foot boy there. And you want to tell me say you look good. You go text you can look good and cute. You say you're not left man. And he can't give you one bag figure shop. Hey. You're lucky, you know.
Disrespect me, come over
No one no disrespect me, I disrespect you. Me I tell you the truth. Say, don't talk to no man that cannot help you. Time too hard, things too rough. You look like you love sufferation.
And I say me love sufferation.
No man, you love poverty.
No, listen now, when me
and if you love poverty, me and you can't friend. We are going to cut off you right here, so now. Me and your friend, and me can't talk to you.
Me meet the guy one time in up there. You know, since I work early again.
Up which part? Where what you in there? Up where? Then I want you off a food so sharp. No, go so. You
no
have to
work now,
trick me. You know what
me
I say?
nah trick you.
Yeah, man.
No work now, give
Give? No work now, give. You have trade?
Yes.
You have education?
Trade man.
Trade man, what kind of trade you?
I'm a carpenter. Where you talk about?
Carpenter?
Yes.
So you tell me say all of the nail them in the hardware. And the two before them. And the one be three. And if I have so supply, who can buy steel and black and cement go buy that? What you say? He can't this, he can't get no work, he can't this and he can't that.
He don't
Anyway,
get no work from when.
sorry for here, but guess what?
Oh.
You see me now? As me tell about the overseas thing, I show me no visa, make me not get to go away and go up and then work there and same thing. Let me tell you something. Or me have to go ask somebody how the link go about the HB2. Because I need to go away and set myself because if you turn yourself, you suffer. Nothing now go and look there. What kind of cross is this? Me and your friend, for your shop lock down. The whole of the heat where they come down Panwy. Like a volcano. Kill off the whole of me fall them. So what you want me to do? Turn you and suffer with you?
No,
sufferation and sin.
Hello, me not have no visa.
But you know say police they don't know if you lock up people for? The police, they don't know if you lock up people for come. Me feel say they feel lock up people if they're poor. If you are living a poverty life, me feel say you feel go to prison.
No, why you would say a thing like that?
Because some of we not no ambition and we don't want to work, we want to depend on people. We need to live an independent life and stop being dependent. Oh, you come a big bag. You not get what me say. If you did independent, you the big
You know
bag.
what me feel say you did have me back,
No,
but you're
man.
not obvious.
Have your back.
No,
you
you're
put
not
you
have
on
me
the
back.
line. Make you understand.
don't
Say
have
little
me
dirty
back.
foot boy where you did about him a carpenter. Come sit down and wait for you to go a shop go buy 14 mackerel and 16 mackerel. Let me sit me out of style. Me name them till me weak. Me tired of it. Me want lobster,
You can't
shrimp
take time
and...
and talk. People there on the neighborhood.
Hey, you too fast! Come in and chat to none of you. And that's why you see them people there over there, so?
That's crazy. You know, so me never like talk to you yet because
And then the people they take for your friend and when they don't say me your best friend.
I'm your friend, girl, but me come to you and ask you for
No,
one
me
bag.
know.
Look
Why you
how
afraid to talk to
loud.
me so loud? I don't want them here because you sit down and chat me with them. Yeah, man, big up yourself. Me not no bag
Me
for
not
you.
sit
Go on,
down
me
and
go.
chat to you.
Right now, me vex. Because even if me have one bag, me that change your mind. Where you content about people? Me and your friend, where you know them from?
Me
And me and you move, come here and so.
Jesus.
And then the junker, they just come there, so.
Lord God,
Youth.
why make you stay so? Why you stay like that?
Right now, me vex because the whole of me fold them
and
dead
kill
out.
off your fold them.
And right
so
now,
me
there so
problem
stress
from
out and now you come and chat about bag and then I tell me about neighbor. You will know where I am and if you want to keep them for your friend, you keep them for your friend. Right now, you know, I'm go about my business. Cause you know, I'm put this right here so till me come back. Me not no time for waste. Cause right now, me don't know where you depend on with your man depend. Him a carpenter. When me keen go get one visa too. See me.
He have visa.
What visa?
My man have visa. And me not have no visa. You there chat off your mouth and you don't know half and nothing what going. See you can you run galang down the hill. You not even wait for make me explain for myself.
Your man a visa?
Yes.
And in there Jamaica?
Well,
and sit down and suffer.
me I go talk to
Before
him
he
about
go
if
overseas.
he go.
Go, you better in there, none. In your visa and sit down here. And the ball say him suffer before he go look work.
You know, so you have problem with everything.
Everything.
If you
I lick no lick
encourage me
sense
and
in
say
here and you
that's
not
true,
see.
go and
So,
go tell the man to go on a friend, then you start talk about.
so you feel say me
tell
your
you
worst
something.
friend? I
Me
put me
never
and
say
put
you have a
sense in your
worst
head.
friend.
It better you did have a visa. Why send some people have visa then and sit down pan and not use it?
I
Better,
don't know.
God knows send you me could have crossed out in name out of it and take out him picture and put in for me if you could have walk me take you and gone. And go walk back
Go
some
on,
money
cause
and
you're
come
very
give me look about one
desperate.
different
Later.
one. What you say? Look how much.
Bye.
So go on now you turn up in me yard do. You take
Me
too
not come
long.
back in your yard again.
No man, you have to come back.
No, me not come back.
You have to come back. Me and your friend and
Me
the
and
truth
you
me
no
tell you.
friend.
We feel learn
As
how to
friends
survive and make
friendship
money.
done as we say later.
Funny how we would risk it all for a dream. Funny how you would give it all up just to be happy. Only if you know what the future holds. Heart of man can get so cold, but still we try, even when tears run from our eyes. We try, we cry, we try.
Hello, babe. What happened? No, I'm good. I just come from supermarket. Yeah. I not get everything when I want, you know, because I not even buy oil or I normally buy. And normally I buy 16 mackerel. Well, I could buy 4. Yeah, me know, but I remember say it shop locked down, so nothing now go on. I see my friend Pinky today, you know. How your background sound so? Did they work? Oh, alright then. Yeah. No. Listen. I want to make your background sound, so you sure they work? No, no, nothing like that. You know, say, me believe you. Me know say you not cheat for me or nothing like that. Me just want to make sure. Yeah. As me I tell her say, me see my friend Pinky today and she tell me say Jamaican money and Jamaican money now going with nothing nowadays. Yeah, you know that. Your visa still up and running? Oh, that good, that good. Me did I talk to Pinky and she said to me say, what me cannot go overseas, go get one work. That's the more better for we. What you mean me go carry money in your house? No. No, me not laugh. No, it's serious. Why you think that? Listen to me. You remember when we meet? Alright, you know what amount of man did after me? Alright, I'ma choose you though. Exactly. No more than ever do that to you. I'm not cheat for you. I just see better of your life. So we have a better future. You're not coming tonight? Then you cousin? Alright, no problem. Go and go work. Because it sounds like a party today. And you know me not like party. Anything you say, Sarah? Yeah, later we talk more about this. Alright. No problem.
Barry! What's the matter, son? I'm here to around there, you know. Magala. Why you love the yard there, man?
The embassy a carpenter out me, you know. And when me get a little money, some of the people there home me, some of them pay me in a piece. And why better me man turn a yard, no, because if you turn a yard, at least me know.
A food you want she to cook for you, that's all you're into. Brother, you can't have a woman in the yard a cook food and not now go a certain way. Yo, how much time you try to introduce you to the, you know, for me local business and thing, I say not interested. I may understand, say, you know, you don't want a certain thing, but bro, you have to come up to the time, man, and stop the foolishness. Stop waste time. You time waster? Eh? Right now there, sir, and you're stressed out.
Alright. Since you said this and said that, I mean, you know, some want some money. Or you not call me if you put on a roof on your house, or you tell me about from
I'm not ready for that yet. I say, we have to put things into perspective, you know.
Then how you make it look like, say, me no want work.
I'm not saying I want work, but what you do now make as much money. But right now, when we link it, I'm not going to make it just deal with just the bathroom part, you know. More I deal the whole house. And when we are talking about that, we are talking about, well, you have to charge me with the money still.
You see what you're saying?
But no, but I work.
Then that's why you have to pay me money because I work.
Alright, so that list we're giving for material, then, brother. That the list for material alone, I look for 350,000. You understand me? I say, I have my life to deal with, bro.
Yeah, but you also have to deal with, say, you have to spending
yeah,
money.
That's no, I'm not that good, man, cause you know.
Hey, so differently, walk along.
Yeah, I'm just like come link your brother, cause you know, like, I have one thing I want to go on, but it's like, say, I want you to just stay with the girl, one extra girl. So she, you know, but I just feel woman, I know, so sometimes, you know, like, you just lack off certain way, I say, just enjoy yourself a little bit. What if that girl...
So what you want me to do with the girl?
No, just stay there with her.
That's forward. So what, you have a girl when she can't leave her yard without her friend?
Yeah.
Or so you just want me to come play double six?
My brother, you have to use some terminology, I can't take it. That's why I can't understand how things are work, bro.
Yo, I don't want to. Alright, yo, we talk about it, come on, we talk. No, we're not talking about it. We talk about it, come on.
Me I shout to them if I not be the case. Because me have my girl the money for me people the money for go drop off.
I do it, me there me yard, and if nothing come up, man, and you can't make me get a little work.
And
If
that
you
no
nobody at the house, just call me.
work now go on right now. Just remember say me say later on we just go par. See? Alright, look come on.
Damn, I think that.
No, cause through me the ear noise in your background.
So we had to walk and watch me?
No, me not walk and watch you. I'm just a come check for you.
Honestly, me never expect you to come down here. To be honest. I know you're not to give me a valid reason why make you come down here. Yo, right now, I'm still upset over that phone call, you know.
What do you phone call?
Yeah, because it come like see us and run me away for go and find.
I not run me and run away. Me want better for you too. You know want better? You know want your future for better?
Yes, me want our future better, but remember, say me alone at work, you know.
You want me go work then?
No, me never tell someone you go work. Me never want you work. No, you work. But you have to understand, I can't pinta what me doing, man.
Me understand that, but things slow. You know, say everything gone down and Jamaica money no value nothing.
Don't get better. Or when we can do, me probably try to see if me can probably line up sit with 2 hours we can go instead. You understand? That's the best thing me think.
You must have no visa, you know.
Oh, I don't remember about that.
And you alone have.
I don't remember about that part. And me can just like come here visa your passport and you go through the border. And then when you go through the border, we meet you up there.
Me not go through no border. Me not like the idea there. So you one can go and me stay in Jamaica. Yeah. When you work and send the money to me, I'm save you.
You know what? Go on. When we go and talk about this, guys, you are sitting there and sound good in my ears. I know.
So
if you got a friend, working money and send it come.
So wrong with that?
You know what people they are foreign and what money come send to Jamaica and all that sitting nothing.
What go happen? Nothing can happen.
Alright, you hear me I tell you, just go on home. When we come home we talk about it. Alright, and now we just need some little time to just go and cool out and go and think about my future.
Good, no one for we, you know. You think me want break it down or nothing? Me just want to have a better life.
Me never say that. Me want a better life for myself too. But yeah, just go on home and when we come home we talk about it.
Alright then.
Alright?
Yeah. Later.
Yeah.
Mar! Oi! Come in. Oi! I wish breeze blow you up yourself today.
Oh my God. Santi. Oh, go on.
There, I'll find you better one.
Boy, girl, I've seen nothing. If you talk to you about.
How do you?
One little man where I can check more like me off. Girl, all the man that come around my spirit can't take him. Like, for my spirit and for his spirit, it can't blend in. And, when I tell me I priest, I want taking things, but me don't want taking things. Because you know them man stay when I take them things, they want something in return.
Girl, if a spirit not take him, work with a spirit. But me can't tell her what to do, 'cause you're a big woman. You understand?
Girl, him into me, you know. Like him real like me can't see it, but my spirit just can't take him. You ever have one man around you and all you try to like a person, you can't like him. You way how you feel like him. Boy, me kind of pray still if me fi can him out, taking things and can him out. And peel him out until he done.
Me not really agree to them something there, you know, because things can happen. Anyways, me have something to tell them.
Come let's spill the bean, girl.
But if you call a friend this man, when I come home, I did talk to my boyfriend and he met 1 and 2 call and he might be here tomorrow morning.
So fast?
Yeah, because if people them when call they say they want somebody ASAP, so you just be up and down the matter right now for left out tomorrow.
You see that girl? Girl, me say if you see that, what if me need pin this in your head for you tell him? Eh?
True, girl.
Girl, me tell you say, God work in mischievous ways. So, me happy for you, no. Me happy for you, no. Me not tell no lie. It's a good start.
I'm happy too. I can't wait for him grace still, but I'm gonna miss him. Cause I'm not gonna get to call him and talk to him, I want to talk to him and stuff for it. But as I go, we just have to do what we have to do to make things work in our life.
Girl, no worry about the calling part, cause everything all good. You understand? The man a go over there to make money for you and him.
Yeah, so
The man not go there to go make no little chum change. I go there to make a proper money.
True.
So just calm myself, girl. Girl, Lord Jesus Christ, me happy for no. Me backside, that's it. That's how me telling you. So when I say opportunity for no way, pay attention to it right away.
True, man.
Can't be so when you don't make that the opportunity pass on to box cover.
God good too. Anyway, I'm getting first pay check next week Saturday. So you know, say by week fi end, my shop up and running.
I lie.
Yeah.
So you can't get the money from you. Eh?
Huh?
That means I can go and check if you want money.
No. You know, always get money mountain. So we still want funny poor.
Anyways, a joke. Me there make with the girl. Run me there, run me out with you. You're not free. Dash it on me so without warning. Anyways, I come take me a little time go on my yard there because I want to really see what them man are up to.
Go and do your thing, but be careful. You hear me? I want to be careful because you know what going on nowadays.
I know what going on nowadays.
Just be careful. Go and check
careful.
much.
You're lucky. Go see what going on. I mean, I can't peel no man. Hey, later, my friend.
You know, someone I like you.
Later.
I'm here, Ruben.
Oh. Oh, God, Ruben.
I'm there. I also call sitting there for my friend, but him say anyway. I can't come. Stay and wait till he come.
Oh, inside the panel?
Yeah, man. I just call him and send him away, man.
Oh. Yeah, then.
So everything good?
Yeah, everything good.
Okay. I said, me just shout him and he say he's soon forward and sitting. I cook.
Yeah, I cook.
I'm just wait and until he forward. Why it smell like a curry chicken you cook around, man?
Yeah.
Imagine that easy. Oh, see your phone here. Look how relax look a bit now.
Why you want me to relax because
Oh yeah, that's the reason me not there by myself, just sit down and just not and talk. You know, cause you know. So what's something different, man? Too.
No,
Come down.
I'm going.
Damn, man. Why? What a son? What a road? You got a road for morning?
No.
Son, what?
Wala. Why you just barge in that place and drop down nice at you, so?
No, me I say son hot out the door, so me just relax myself a little bit. At that, I don't know, like, come on, but so you know, used to me I come visit you
Yeah,
my brother,
but you
my
just
brethren.
always have a style, you just drop down yourself and look at yourself.
Sorry, if it means say, at that you see, I am sorry, but me just feel comfortable. It's when people feel comfortable, you make it sound like it's a bad, something bad them do, but come on, man. My food smell like it are going good, but anyway, why in my time it is like you win a jackpot having a woman be there and cook for you. You know what I mean? And you washing clothes, don't you?
Yeah, that's a woman's duty when you tell for one man. Yeah.
Tell you say that, trust me. You say it simply, but every woman have your perspective and of thinking, most women right now are road them come in, them expect a man to buy KFC, buy box food, come and them something there.
That's a waste of money.
Not me I say you're a good woman. A woman like you is something where you can't buy a street, you can't buy a club. You understand? Yeah, man, so me I say big up yourself and me appreciate the fact that you take care of my brethren. You know what I mean? Take care of my brethren, man. Sometimes I have to wonder, warm to me, because every time I book a woman, they want me to start one business, they want me to help them do this, they want me to all kind of thing, and then toes, they disappear. That's my problem. Because I'm afraid to help people, but my problem is me I help you, and then you help me down. So me no help 55 somebody in 1 week. That can't work. Eh?
Then when they come wise up, stop spend out your
Yeah, but how
money,
if you wise up if a girl come and smile with you and tell you say, I can be that one. And then say, just prove yourself. But they must have to prove yourself. That alone I go on now. And then me now win my little money and thing. Sometimes me not lie. It was the last month me use out for me.
your sister-in-law.
Yeah, my sister-in-law. I don't know that word, but yeah, she use out the money a little bit and a good thing, one little rose come. I mean buy one little thing and invest it and the money turn back over fast.
You know, so she's not too long left for you, so.
What she going to talk to you about?
I want to know that.
No, but
we
if
are
you know,
friends, so we talk about fruit one of business.
if you don't want to tell me of your business, I don't really tell you say I have to tell because girls talk. And if girls talk, we can't ask about it. But me I tell you, say, me personally, one day one woman one angel can just drop from the sky and just appear and me get to fall in love. I mean, maybe I come easy for fall in love, me I give them money and something. Alright, I'm broke, broke like a truck.
So what you gonna do?
I feel friend me I can link up and see if you have no way to lend me some money or
I'm sorry feeling I go work out in that no money, bro.
So we live?
No, so really, but me I tell you say you don't have no money right at the moment. Right now 6 mackerel me always buy and 4 me have to buy.
You're forgetting something, You remember say right before the shop lock and me put half of the money and go for no do no business. You forget? Me not chat about it, but me I remind about it because you forget.
No, me not forget, but if you don't have no money, what me gonna do?
What do you mean? No, but then suppose something happen before you come here.
Nothing gonna happen.
You see people like you, you wish bad for people, that's why certain things always happen to you. You good on, and then afterwards, I say, oh Jesus, want to be me salt.
Come go on home because he just text me saying now about that coming, he go stay down and cousin. So I have to go good on them. I go carry food down there go give you. He now about that come. Probably he soon call and tell you too.
You must catch me, smile, you chat me. Thing good. Remember, me tell you, say, just be grateful for the tender mercies. That's all me I say. So so based on the pot what I go on, if you say me can get a little bit to eat or something.
You know, so I not go done in time.
I'm not saying none in time. I can come back. I can come back.
Me making call.
In Africa, I can come back and you just give me my food, even just push your door and give me.
So I don't know if you eat down your yard.
If I have something to eat down my yard.
Alright then. Yeah, you can call it your door and then turn back.
You know, like how this feeling, I feel like I have big. You know what? Keeping the food. Keeping the food. Everything good. Just remember, say, and me, this a Ruben here. When make uno get through with full no thing.
Like you, like.
And when you no get through with full no thing and it go through, and me have to call uno and say, he come through, he got through, and then guess what you do? You know say, watch ya, me never remember to call you. The same person who call you and make the thing go through. See, I'll $10 upon it. So see I got money?
We have to save because
I give me go gain. You think hey, don't do that again, man. I'm not a kind of person for thief kind. Eh?
Come, go on the time I get late.
Everything good. Me must have mental, you say.
Nice to come
when carry money come go no, and uno actually get this something achieve, me not think so me forget the treatment here.
Hey,
you laugh.
You need to
Me not think me forget the treatment here.
That's why you can't keep a woman in your life.
If you cook and you have little bit can share, why me can't get none? Me, Ruben.
Me never say
me,
you can't get. Me never say that. Me tell you say not got done in time. I'm tell you say come back.
When a person say food not got done in time, hint, galang in your yard, cause you not get none. That you try to tell me. Better tell me say galang in your yard. Than for you be a hypocrite and come go on like say, yo, I'm a fool, you know. Me go to good school, you know.
Ruben, how much time I call on them?
Me no business with me take her. Me yeah, everything good. Me not go lick you, cause me not make my friend feel say me abuse you. But if you can't share,
yeah, come back to it later.
Listen man, the man saying soon come and you know if he come and wait for me, so we just come out so and wait till he come. And plus time ago so we don't want the time run up, so the best thing man.
I cannot call him and say how far in there or something.
Alright, we soon call him, but you are going. I don't want to talk too much about him. You might come. Soon call him. But just want you to know, so I appreciate the fact that you encourage me to go. You think I the best thing we do. See? So you are going, you know. $700 instead of pay me a week, you know. So I will send you 300 out of 7. So I left me with 4. I can just put on 2 one side and use on 2 live. Right?
That's one good idea.
Yeah man, so you just save out of that and do what you have to do to go forward back. Alright. She look like him come back, you know.
You sure say him that?
Yeah man, I feel him on that.
Babe, you can't trust me, you know. We just want to know so me have your back, no matter what.
Alright.
That's
me believe you, man. Me believe you, man.
You sure?
Me believe you, man. Just have to just ensure, say, you know, save what you save out of it and take care of yourself out of it.
Yeah, me go take care of myself and you go frighten if you see amounts of money we go come back and see in our account.
Yeah, man. Me I gonna make you proud. I want you to make me proud.
Of course, me gonna make you proud. Me go look work on the side, you know.
But as me tell you, me never told you want your work still.
But one hand can't clap.
Alright, well if you say you gotta work, just work and just do what you have to do. And just nobody have no man no.
You come back with the argument there again?
Yeah, cause me I got a foreign and me know me not got no woman a foreign, you know. Me I just keep myself to myself and keep myself in check. That means say, I don't know if I believe that. Yeah. But anyway, as I say, yeah, me just keep myself in check. So me just look for the same thing for you.
Don't worry yourself. You don't have to fret, baby.
Oh, yo! Turn! Alright, turn and come. Someone of them come like a joke kind of man.
In late and if we just...
Alright, so as I say, as I reach over, my WhatsApp, yeah, make you know so I reach. So
Alright.
you come here? You come airport?
Of course, let
Okay,
me go to
okay.
come at airport.
You come and think say, yeah, all this stuff.
No, the jacket. Just hurry up, put in the bag. Cause we late already.
Come here,
Watch
come
out.
here,
You
come
mind
fast.
the bunks, you?
Come fast.
I'm sorry for late today, brother boy. Alright.
Play up. Alright, nobody put you in the back. Just put it here. So go on the next side. Go on the other side.
Yeah, good.
Alright, come here. Alright, come in.
So she come to?
Yeah man, come in,
Oh.
come man. Watch your road. And the police that way, so.
Come on, a policeman.
Them have roadblock.
My roadblock, you know.
Girl,
Oh, gone.
I have something to talk to you about.
You happy though?
Our lives are nice. Anyways, take the link, girl.
I lie.
I swear to God, you know, say man send me 100,000 on my account. Just look at that.
You told lie. Say again that?
No, I hit me a
You send him a
contact to you
picture?
about. No, listen, I hit me a
Oh.
contact to you about. It's very rare to a man take up so much money and send you, and you not give nothing in return. So right now, I wonder if a real lifetime something this or a dream me a dream. Cause girl look at me. Oh Jesus, me sort out. Me well sort out.
You told lie. You can't believe this. So you say man just send her that so.
Yeah, girl. So actually like I want good man me find. I don't know and the door running.
At least I get through in her life.
So I go on.
You know say for your brother-in-law come up here one day. And when he come, no, don't laugh. Me not laugh. This serious. When he come, he might go on one way. Me not like how he might go on.
Girl, no worry about Ruben. I saw Ruben stay. Nothing but I look at though. Cause
Look,
he love woman,
me?
you know.
You're crazy. You can't do that.
Anyways, no but I pray them they sitting there. Cause once I think about it, I pray.
No, girl, not like that. You're crazy. Remember, say, my man gone, you know? He gone.
Like gone over.
He gone over.
Backside, girl. Say, you know, see, some things are going for you too, are we?
Yeah, girlie.
No,
So
sir.
I'm proud of that boy, man.
Me proud of you, me not tell a lie. If me never
So-
come put into talk and put common sense in my
Alright,
head.
you can done now. After that, you know. Thank you. Alright, thank you. I forgot to thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Mighty God.
Me happy about the situation, girls. Anyways, them baby tell me say, and next week Saturday I get money. And so the name Saturday, so they
So
get
that-
thing now.
Look here. Let me tell you something. Take your time, go your yard. Because you get money and you still want out of family money when me get. But you crave this a girl.
So who no fi crave no money? Eh?
Come, go
So when
on
you come on, so MONEY,
Mm.
I might name that. And we will big up yourself, my friend.
Should you come here and give me something?
Big up yourself.
Big up yourself, me girl. Later, walk straight through my gate. Yeah, fast sister. Come here. How that?
Ruben. What's going on?
No, how you want?
Let me talk to you for a second, man. Come on, really want to keep up. People so well.
Come, do it fast. Chop it up fast. Come.
Make it sound like someone welcome here.
No, I never said that. No, but through your friend not there here, I don't want. really have nobody in our place, understand?
The thing is that me have to come check on you because I know saying gone, tell me saying gone up my brother and some more come now. So you're good. So you're good.
Yeah, I'm good.
I mean, why you there stand and worry about certain things, because what kind of friend I should be when that happen. You know what I mean?
Mm.
So what me I say to you is that financially speaking, everything alright? You sure? Don't tell me yes if you know, say no,
I'm good.
Because I know my friend girl, in some situation like this. You understand? Because look there, me see about 2 pieces of chicken on the counter. How long that can last you for? So you have to be careful. So really and truly is like me I say to myself, so I don't want my friend, kind of, I never spend money before. This is Europe money. You know what I mean? You know my friend girl kind of in a situation where she not have enough money to take care of certain things. Because how me don't feel if you're up here and you want to help and you can't get the right help you need. That not feel good. I'm not comfortable to know that. You understand me? I say so. Me basically I say, push come to shove, let me help you out. You understand? And just leave some money so you can buy extra stuff.
What do you mean when you say make you help me out, like me wash for you and cook for you and then you pay me? That's all. So what me gonna do for deserve this money?
Let me tell you something, man. Everybody in life, the catch us, somebody chat me. Everybody in life, want something. But before you want, sometimes you have to, give to the next person if you then get what they want and everybody happy. You understand? So basically me I say, me as a boy, me don't know, me bad luck with woman. So me kinda give up that part. You understand? Which like if you look at woman, you have cook and clean and take care of me, rub my foot and all them something. You know what I mean? Or me do the same thing for her, sometimes cook for her or whatever. I don't know, be a ghetto girl, me link up. As me start talking, them say hello. And then two, them won't get loaded and it's like a market there, everybody walk. So I say no, me leave it alone. So me I say, this can be yours. This is like 700 US. You understand?
And then when me do forget that me I ask you.
I could just go to bedroom and do one thing.
Go do what?
You was a cash me again, somebody else chat me. Me I say, we just go to the bedroom, go do one thing and, just one time now hurt nobody. You make it sound like this a one time if me do it. Every time it come and me I watch me I say, boy, if me virgin, you lucky. So me know me can't get it for myself. Come respect my virgin and a female girl. You understand me I say? So buy market before you left, no jeez, I'm pity much. So
You ain't supposed to.
I say no. So something I say is that that's one time thing. We not it again. So if you do that one time, nobody nothing know. If nobody know, you will tell them.
One time.
One time.
Sure.
That means I'm sure. Me sure. You sure? All yours.
Alright then. One time.
One time.
No next time.
No next time.
Then, come on.
Ready? Come on. Well, lead the way.
Hi, babe. What? Yeah, I'm good. How work? That's nice. Yeah, me collecting money today. Yeah. No, Monday week me go stop back shop or something. Yeah, me I go save some of it too. Me nah use all of it pan the shop. Me I go save. Yeah. Oh, miss that too. You soon see me. Alright. Oh, I break it upon. Yeah, come when I leave work. No problem. Alright, love you. Bye. Mm. But wait, I wanna go. Jesus Christ. What put on the English, you know?
Yo.
What now? They left something?
Yeah, man. Let's hold it for something.
So when you left them for?
Well, I'm saying, me not lie. No, me know. You see, sometimes you wonder certain situation is different from your know a situation. Yo. Big me up no? I big you up.
What now?
It's like me go down to my yard and I say, want to extra money down there a while ago. And I say to myself, say, I can't afford for, you know? I can't afford for invest. I want to call me. I want somebody to call me. Hello? Alright. Yeah. Where say? Yeah, give me extra 2 hours. Yeah man, respect. So you say that money they reach? Alright, my boss. So that me I talk about, man. And money we say. Yes, right? Money, yeah man. Respect. So me I say no. That money, you know, just consider say I help you out and you help me out to come. I get what I want and you get what you want. I'm not gonna make it be a regular thing. This is the last time. I mean, you know, say rough it 2 days, 2 times in 1 day, but you know, now that's my work, you know, come here long distance too long. You know what I mean? How this happened? Alright, so. I don't know if you. Imagine.
You're serious?
Imagine you make 1,400 in 1 day. That's just a big joke inside. Oh, that's it, man.
But me,
Imagine how proud your man will be for you. See when you call him now and tell him say, you get money and you do extra little work. Can't tell him say I wash clothes, some places are you don't know anything. But me I say, you deserve it, man. Right? So curl the one next thing because what me I say, this a time yeah. You know after you jiggle so hard, you can't take time jiggle. You laugh cause you know says just take your time cause me feel say the reason me come back to you and come here and say don't too fast. No, I mean, I want you feel like say you know what I mean, me a stula. You know what I mean? So that me I say, me just take time jiggle and bother, cause when you go so fast, it's like a $700, you know, $700 that. I mean I lose 1,400 that, nearly 200,000. No, is that I mean I think about that. But yeah, me I say, you ready?
Oh boy. Me not like this, you know.
No, what you like, man? It's just that, yeah. Remember, say I invest, you know. And your man go proud of you. My friend go proud of you too.
You sure?
When me say me sure, so hold on. When you call him and you see money and money there, you know, must think your man go proud of you. Hmm?
Yeah. I remember so outside I can't
No, me not really. That's a me. You know, me just used to me do my hands off to just create a little diversion, say. You know, really.
come before people start to get.
Me catch it.
As I said, and give God the glory.
Reach.
I go on.
But there. So here, you ever watch some movie and a man?
Hold on. A movie you call me out of?
No, just this way me I say no. You ever watch some movie one time some woman in a some situation where it's like the man can't take care of them, right? And one next man come in and a borrowed money and the woman starts sleep with the man for money or something. But and I like say they want to do it, you know, they just want to do it because they want money, understand? And it gets to one point when they're tired of it, when they don't want it no more.
Alright, let me tell you something. Knowing how me stay, then there's something that can't go on with me. Cause it's only an idiot girl do them things there. Continue.
It gets to one point when they just can't take it no more. They want tap it, they want go back to their normal life. Like they don't want to collect no money from the person. What you think what they always do in a movie for
You
come out
tell
of the
me.
situation there?
You tell me.
They always is it that they analyze the person or they pay a man for do certain things, understand?
Mama. What you try to say? Where you come out and start telling me now? Where you really I try to say?
No, I movie me I watch me a medicine movie, man, and me say me I call you and tell you about it.
Alright. You see what me say now? No man can ramp with me. Cause me a hot girl. I'm not stoop low. You understand? And knowing how me stay in a real life, that show that man. That show all a boy body right now. Or take something and knock him out. Or poison him. Or carry him one part and chang him, kill him. You get what me I say?
Yeah, me get what you say.
But me know you have sense. So things like that can't go on with you because me know you have sense, girl.
You're crazy?
Mm-hmm.
What's so mad? Nothing like that can happen to me.
But as me say, me a mad girl in real life. So when things not going with you, how if it's supposed to go with me, but just dash with that. You understand? Me not do it. Me not do it in a real life, but me just suggest something to you.
Yeah,
Say,
I understand the answer, man.
you want to get rid of one problem. And a life is somebody dash him away. And that go on a movie though. Yeah. So
Still, you know, I movie me I watch on YouTube, you know. And me I look for it and me can't find back a movie. And me say me I call you out to tell about the movie. Cause the movie they interested, you know.
why?
Oh,
America.
Jesus Christ.
This is a swear thing, girl. Look money I call me find a girl. Me get time so.
You know what? Which money me fi call lend you? You know have somebody that give money already?
Me never sell lend. Me say me swear thing, guy money I call me for water. Me papa on me neck. Come out right now. Standing upside of you.
I never see a friend that love money, so I guess later.
Alright.
Later.
Alright, dear team.
Yeah, me I clear my head look of it.
Understand how Marika no come over here from me talk to her about her foolishness. Let me call her. This a girl here take too long to come over here, you know. And me have seen to talk to her about. Watch her. Me backside. Girl, you go live till sun burn you, you know?
I'm supposed to.
No, sir. Me I wonder how you not come check me from when I want me from me talk to you the other day you go on like I say you no want link me. I'm your friend for life. Nothing can stop that. You just know say me down to earth and me straightforward. Me plain, me just tell you the truth. If you vex, but me and still friend. The arm they sound like a one long arm. Hour. Just start.
Me do one business, right? When me collect money something, but
that's nice if you're doing business where you collect money, man. What kind of business? Where you do pick coconut and sell and anything?
No.
Or you go down a market go sell vegetable and something. That's a nice business that you know, because right now people are dead for hungry and we need too much meat, we need to eat some vegetable. I'll come buy some from you. A vegetable yourself? Oh. But yeah, she said she had a business on a lot. Right now, I'm happy for you because you see your shop did lock down and our next business you start. That's nice and you collect money, girl, right now.
I know that the type of business there.
What you mean? What you talk about? What you talk about?
I don't know why you are choosing business for me. Why you do that?
Oh, sorry. Are you come to talk? Let me listen to you. Sorry. I am so sorry. I won't do it again.
You know Ruben?
What?
You know Ruben?
Ruben. Me know one Ruben. But the Ruben we me know, me don't know if I see him Ruben you the talk about. Where you know that the Ruben they from?
I'm my boyfriend, friend.
Eh?
My boyfriend friend. You don't know my boyfriend friend. You don't know Ruben, he Rasta man.
Ruben will live as Sam.
Yeah.
Ruben. And Ron is so look how much Rasta man there they must see near Ruben. The Ruben we may attack it, you so cut.
Yes, Ron
and he have locks up
and he tall.
Me know him, girl. A long time me know him. How he dead?
Dead.
Oh God,
So
I don't tell me say I dead in dead. No, what do him?
Why that time first thing I
because me don't know how anything can know in a life. You know see where I go on. You see so not. People can't just walk and drop down all day and did pay all hungry.
No, me I do one local business with him.
You two are together?
Yeah, it's all together, but more come out of business.
What kind of business you doing? Like sell drugs and stuff? What you do? Mind what you do, you know? The police will lock up your backside.
I don't know like that. I want to you. You can chat in.
No, what do me? Me must be swallow radio. Alright, talk.
Yeah, me I do one business as me I tell you.
I'm happy for you, you know. Me don't know where you chat about if me chatting. Me I get paid for chat. So you stay there watch the chatting then me I do. Where you say
I don't talk.
Me I listen to you if you start talk again.
So, a business what me ever do, more come out of business because me not feel comfortable doing the business.
You know, see a shop lock down. How will you talk about you dey do business and then plan to come out? This a girl I'm mad. You know see where you going now, no money no there. I'm matter of fact, what kind of business you do? Cause everything me say you say no Italian, I must play in your work pan. You a pilot? Are you air hostess? Congratulations, my friend. Big up yourself. So me supposed to can get one work.
You want to work?
Pan the plane, I'm not playing
You
your
want
work.
to do business too?
If I play in your work pan, cause long time you want to turn air hostess.
Me
And if
can
your man a pilot,
me
that
me can make you start a business and meet up with you know.
what kind of business that is?
Okay.
What kind of business that?
Ain't give me money for sleep today.
What? Liar tell. So that the dirty business that you want stop and put me in it. Me, Marika, me candy we sit down here so.
You know, and
Marika, front yourself. Marika, me and your friend. No, let me take time. I hope nobody know over your fence line. I listen, cause right now, you turn me in a idiot. Cause me feel say, I want good business you they do. To collect money and support your shop. To help me talk back and make things can go on to you. Marika, you really a sell front to dirty foot, Ben? Matter of fact, Ben, are your man friend? And you are sell. Wait there, hold on there. Marika,
you
not tell.
understand. It never it did a one time thing. One time
One
thing.
lead up to two.
But it
After two or
constantly,
three. And when I say three, you
every
go
time
four.
in they come back and say one more this and
You
last
see
time.
it past
And
12.
in they carry 700 US can't give me.
Area. But Marika, this is more and shame and disgrace. Remember say. What name? Ruben?
Ruben.
Right now, me turn idiot. Remember say Ruben and your man where they both with that day say a visa and I'm a carpenter. A big friend. From a long time me know them. Them the two man they are friend for life. If you say nothing about one and the one they hearing tell the next one. Nobody know the right so you see fold them dead out. Where you talk say? Neighbor? Look how far people them then they must see all asleep. Them not wake it. You have lazy people who sleeping and so that when they wake up they weak. Them not hear me. My mouth big and loud and me love chat loud for you understand what me I say. And anytime me they correct you always a chat about. You chat too much and you not listen to me and you not this and you come and downgrade me and you put me down and not put me and put you down. Me want you get up. Hold up your head. Have ambition. Focus on your future.
Then
and think straight. Are you tell the focus on? To sell front?
No,
you the focus on your
no
future
one
to sell front?
I'm
And guess
not
who you
selling
sell the
it.
front to? Your man friend. Tell me if that's right. Marika is a wicked girl although me and your friend.
I'm not wicked.
Why you would really go there with your friend? Jesus Christ.
We just
You make me a ton idiot.
just do
Why
one
you would
look one
really
and
go
two.
there with your man friend? And a matter of fact, you they sell in front and take the money from your man friend and go give your man a yard cook. Nyam. I want to sit down and enjoy.
Man there Jamaica.
How when he gone?
Look how long he gone.
You know that you have to tell me, man. But listen how you go. It's still wrong. Ruben and your man is friend.
Me
And
know.
you say your man not there here, which me cannot prove it. So call it saying gone for true.
Yes.
At the end of the day, them are friend.
Yes.
Marika, me not say you give your man bun.
Mm-hmm.
But you know see no other man pan God earth. You go there with more than your man friend.
Me
He's a
I'm
wicked girl. You who no make man do no things. Who no make man do no things. Me nah put up no slackness with you, me and your friend. That's why me you can't agree, okay? So when me a lick out the truth them pan you vex and you go your turn out long before you come back over me yard, but that good. You notice me, always I think positive things. Come here, I think how me fi up back me fall come. Me at focus for my future to live a better life and live an independent life. While you as my friend, want to take yourself turn in a one little butterfoot girl. Oh, you figure sell your man friend front.
Christ.
You know an ambition, man. Me and your friend right now, me shame. Me shame of you. Me shame a kill me.
I know.
But if me and your friend and you do them sitting there, look how me go book a man in life and me have a man and he go hear about you and go think say me and you the same thing. Girl, don't do it. Cut off Ruben right now. A time for you cut him off. Dirty Ruben we used to look me. Dirty Ruben we used to look me.
Ruben is to look here?
Oh, you mean a stone me have to stone that up from me gate? I be a stone me hey, yes when me a give me stone, me take it for joke and a laugh at me, cause I want clown, you know. Yes when you see me go for me ton bill, me mash it, you know, me mash it, you see me with you so all the while. Yes when me go for that day, you know, want see me run like the horse them down a Cayman and strap. Oh, me no play with him. You know, if you make man use money and catch you. You see all you? Right now, all you want give 2 stone out of me yard. Go along which party they go, man.
No good about me take myself with that situation.
Yo, go along which party you go. Cause right now, me feel like to give
Yo,
you
can't
a big
don't
stone.
bother the foolish man.
You can't sell your man friend front. A matter of fact, friend, you have a man, you're not supposed to have 3, 4, 5, 6 man. Man,
Me
we
don't-
hurt you.
Listen. It was a one-time thing.
One time, and you tell me, oh, I need to come back. That Louis Charles past 12.
No,
You went catch at 12, now you look like he past 12.
Can't do later, cause you know, I don't know me come over your yard for.
What do you mean you don't know you come over my yard? You come to tell me your business and for me correct you,
I
but
mean,
you don't
I
like
come
take
back
correction.
again.
He's an idiot.
She's begging me, please don't take my hand. If it's gonna end up in a one-night stand, just be truthful to me. All I need is just your honesty. Just be truthful to me.
Oh, what kind of place this?
Nobody ever listen. So we can easily do what we are do. You understand?
Listen. Again?
What you mean say again? So when I arrange for come here, so feel last time. Oh, you must send the picture them? Relax yourself, man. Pull back a seat, pull back a seat.
Me just
Pull back a seat, no, pull back a seat. Back a seat, no? Yeah. Pull it all the way. Alright, make it tangle a little bit. But me I sit here, say. Yeah, make it sound like say when you don't talk about this already. After this, I know more.
every time I that you say, every time, me tired of it now.
Well, if you're tired of me not tired of it, but alright, listen, man. One last time. Yo. Ready?
Me not ready yet. We have to do it.
You collect my money. Alright, you me go do. Me go send him the picture them.
Alright.
Me go send him the picture them then and the video. What a good thing me take a video of you. Cause you don't really take me for idiot, you know. Me don't like when people take me for idiot star.
So we are going to.
What you mean say me a go answer for? You mean me a go answer right now?
Alright, turn your head, me take off my clothes.
You mean
Me want to surprise you, me can't surprise you. Look over so.
go take off your clothes or that do
No,
if that's the case.
take
Go
off
and take off your clothes and come and relax.
Alright.
And make sure you
Me put on something sexy, yeah?
listen. Go and pee-pee. Cause last time you tell me say you want pee-pee. And yeah say
Me
about
don't want pee-pee.
do it fast. People in the place. No, my nose will catch me again. Hurry up, man.
Somebody over chat to you. Ready?
Well, I'm gonna take my shot. I'm almost ready.
Yeah.
So you're going to say I take off?
Funny how we would risk it all for a dream.
To subscribe is free. You subscribe yet?
I'm gonna listen to you, baby. Cause you are all I need. She's begging me, please don't break my heart. Cause all that's left is just a little part. She's begging me, please don't take my hand. If it's gonna end up in a one-night stand, just be truthful to me. All I need is just your honesty. Just be truthful to me. Is it love that you see in me? Mama used to tell me love was something like a secret. Don't tell it to no one if you know that can't keep it. It should be fun, but only that special one. No, she's begging me, don't break my heart. Cause all that's left is just a little part. part. Begging me don't take my hand if it's gonna end up in a one-night stand. Just be truthful to me, 'cause all I need is just your honesty. Just be truthful to me. Is it love that you see in me? Is it love? Is it love, baby? It's all that's been missing. There's just all that's missing. No, that's all she needs. She's begging me, please don't break my heart, 'cause all that's left is just a little part. She's begging me, please don't take my hand. It's gonna end up in a one-night stand. Just be truthful to me. Mama used to tell all I need is just your honesty. Just be truthful to me. Mama used to tell me, is it love that you see in me? She's been looking for love in the wrong places. Looking for love at the wrong places. She's been looking for love in the wrong places. She's been looking for love in the wrong places. Looking for love in the wrong places. She's telling me, please don't break my heart, 'cause all that's left is just a little part. She's begging me, please don't take my hand. If it's gonna end up in a one-night stand, just be truthful to me. All I need is just your honesty. Just be truthful to me.